How to make line lanterns.
Hello! Alright, my friends, today we're going to practice using lines. We're going to think about how many different varieties of lines we can make. Straight line. I will do a broken line. Ooh, I'm going to do a scallop line. Next, I'm going to do a castle line. And then, last but not least, I will do a scribbly line. Ooh, nice. Awesome. I could fit another line in there. Straight line. How about this could be a thick line? Beautiful. Nice job. All right, friends. Next step is that we're gonna paint. So I need a cup of water. I fill it halfway, and I will need my tempera cakes. Oh, and my beautiful artwork with all my lines. Now, the way we paint is kind of like how a ballerina dances. You're going to swish, swirl. So notice I'm not mashing my paintbrush. I'm keeping it up on its tippy toes, just like a ballerina does. So swish, swirl, and then I'm going to work from the top all the way down.
Next, we're going to glue strips of paper onto the back of our artwork. So I am super fast because I have superhuman strength, so that's why I'm able to do this so fast. But don't worry, take your time. Our last step after our glue has dried is that we are going to roll our paper into a tube. You're going to glue the edge of your paper, and then you're kind of smooth it out with your hands. And you'll notice that if you hold it up, you have a tube that looks like this. Lastly, we'll add a little bit of a string, and then we'll hang our line lanterns. Great job, friends!